Welcome back to my channel. And this is Nanny Time's video.
Hi. Today we're going to be making a sourdough pizza. I'll have all the measurements in the description box. So I fed my sourdough starter the day before I wanted to make this dough. So to the sourdough starter, I added the water, flour, and salt. So you mix until the flour is combined into the liquid. I find it a lot easier if you use your hand to mix. Just don't over mix it. Once you finish mixing, cover the dough, let it rest for 30 minutes. So now the dough's rested for half an hour. You're going to do a few stretch and folds, and you're going to cover it again for another 30 minutes. So you could do the stretch and fold again, or you could just pick it up and let it stretch and then just drop it down and it sort of folds on itself. Just do that a few times and then cover the dough again, let it rest for another 30 minutes. And you're going to repeat it again. This is the third time. You should start to notice that the dough is getting smoother and it's growing. So now you're going to rub some olive oil on the surface and cover the dough and let it rest for 3 to 4 hours or until doubled. And this is what it should look like. This is doubled. So you're going to cover it well with some plastic wrap. You could even put it in a plastic bag. You could leave this dough in the fridge for up to 24 hours. So this dough of mine will make 2 pizzas. I'm only going to make one right now. Actually, I'm making this one for my sister. This dough will make 2 10 by 13 inch pizzas. So very gently, you invert your dough onto a clean surface. So divide the dough in half. I usually just eyeball it. And then in the pan, you're going to add about 1/4 cup of olive oil. You need a good amount for this dough not to stick. Try to spread the dough as best as you can. And if you find that the dough is resisting, just leave it for about 5-10 minutes and then try again. And I think I tried 3 times here. But in the meantime, you get your toppings ready. At this point, you might want to preheat your oven to 450. Once you manage to get your dough into the corners of your pan, you just cover it and let it sit for about 45 minutes. And this is what it looks like. It should have puffed out a bit. I drizzle some olive oil, about 1/4 cup of olive oil on the top. And you put your toppings. Mine has mozzarella, lots of mozzarella. We love cheese. And some sauce. Not too much sauce or it's going to weigh down the pizza. And then it becomes soggy. You could top it with whatever you want. We put pepperonis. We keep it simple. I have my grandson here today and he's just having a blast. So I sprinkle a little Parmesan cheese over top and just a little bit more olive oil. And you pop it into a very hot oven, 450 degrees, anywhere from 20-30 minutes. It all depends on your oven and its strength, but check the bottom to see for doneness. I like mine really nice and brown underneath. So if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe.
Bye. Thanks for watching.
See you next time. Bye-bye for now.